Welcome back guys, this is Swayam from Askmefunnels, and in this video we are gonna talk about the most important script I'm going to share over here from cfprotools.com, which is named the dynamic browser tabs. Alright, basically dynamic browser tabs is a great way to bring visitors back to a page of your funnel, and uh, it will help you to grab the attention of people who has left your page and open the another tabs. All right, so let me explain you what it actually does. So let's say you are here, you can say that we have mentioned the title, which is 10k per month training is live now, upgrade today. All right, so what happens that when people who are leaving our membership area and navigating to the another tab, instantly this tab can get changed. The message of this tab basically gets changed and is asked, where did you go? All right, and when user get back to this membership area, and they get the different message, which is $10,000 per month training is live now. All right, so this is a basically dynamic browser tabs, and it helps you to grab the attention of the people and bring back them to your funnels. All right, so what you need to do is just simply copy this script from the Ask Me Funnels membership area, head over to your editor, say Clickfunnels editor, and whatever the page you may have, it is not compulsory you should have this script will only work for the membership area. Whatever the page you are going to design and develop using the Clickfunnels, you can use this script. All right, so to make this work, just head over to the settings and click on the tracking code, and then navigate to the footer code, and here we are entering the exact script we have entered, and now once we hit the save button, user would be able to get these message. All right, so these messages are basically editable. Let's say here you can edit this message, and in the left title, under the left title option, you would be able to edit the message for those people who has left your page. All right, and people who are inside your page, you can edit that message under the back title option. Right, so this is how you can enable the dynamic browser tabs in your ClickFunnels membership area to grab the attention of the people. It's a very useful script from the cfprotools.com, which helps us to bring back to our customers and bring back to our leads to uh, provide them all the details related to our products or services. So I hope this script will help you to make more better funnel. And if you have any inquiry, and if you want any kind of script from our side, just navigate to this bottom section, click on the need support, and you would be able to get all the answers for your inquiry related to the ClickFunnels, or otherwise you would be able to contact me using these need support tab, and I would be really glad to help you related to solve your inquiry and build you better sales funnels. All right, so in the next video we will talk about another script and another pro method, so that you can build better sales funnel from now onwards. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next training.